Hi Darko, it's Rob here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2018 KTM EX 500. It has some upgrades on it too. The bike is like new. There's the ignition and 7 hours on it. And this is a 344, I guess it's miles, because it says miles per hour. It does have some upgrades, like these are the lights over here. You were asking where was the... Just a second. Let me fire it up for you. Yeah, that's the signal light in the front. Has LED lights. That's the tail light. If you have any question regarding this motorcycle, you can call back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.